Let's take a look at the sales price hierarchy within K9. The sales price is basically how much I'm selling the product to the customer. In this case, I'm selling this item for $5 to this customer. Now, where is this number coming from? Where is this $5 value coming from? So there are several places where K9 is going to look for a price hierarchy. The first place it's going to look is for the customer itself. If I open up this customer, Carl Edmond, and I go into their customer detail over here, I'll see a couple of tabs. One says special prices, and I'll see that I have this attending towel cotton over here for $5. So this is going to override almost every other price in the system because I have a special price set up specifically for this customer. I can have start dates and end dates for these as well. Those are optional. But if I leave these blank, this customer will receive this $5 price indefinitely. Now this is the first step of the hierarchy. This is where it's going to look to override everything else. The next place it'll look is price lists. Now there is a price list over here, and if I open it up, I'll see over here that product in there for $8. So now if that customer, Carl Edmond, didn't have a special price, his sales order price would be $8 because that's the price assigned to him in a price list. Okay? Now again, I'm going to open this part number up into the catalog, and let's take a look at the lowest level of the hierarchy, and that's the sales price. This is considered almost like MSRP. This is if somebody walked in off the street, did not have an account with us, let's say something like that, this is the price they would pay. So if Carl Edmond did not have a special price and did not have a price list assigned, this is the sales price that he would receive. Now, as I mentioned, there's several conditions where he cannot get it below that price, and that, for instance, is the minimum sales price. If we create a minimum sales price in here, this is a hard stop on the entire sales process. Nobody is able to sell below the minimum sales price under any circumstances. Okay, that includes any kind of override scenarios. So if you have something in your organization that it's a loose rule, you may want to create that with the workflow rules instead. Okay, so this is a hard code rule. Same thing with discounts. If they try to apply discounts to bring it below $4, it won't let them do that. Furthermore, you also have this no further discounts. That means that the sales price doesn't change, but they're not able to apply a discount code to it. So that's something to keep in mind. So all those combined create this unit price based on that hierarchy. And again, that's how it's structured. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your implementer.